How to add PayPal debit card to Apple Wallet. Hey there, welcome to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the PayPal debit card to your Apple Wallet, it is usual like you add any of the debit or credit card. For this, you'll be needing the name, card number, expiration date, and the CVV. Now to begin, open up the Wallet app on your iPhone or App Watch. Then you need to click on the plus button to add a new card. Select credit or debit card. You can use your iPhone's camera to scan the card or enter the card details manually as well. That includes name, card number, expiration date, CVV. After that, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the verification process. Once the card is added, you can use it for contactless payment through Apple Pay. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and if you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can contact either Apple or PayPal itself. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in.